Uh, all right, now before we move on to another episode, there is something that I would like to quickly show you, and that is changing your WordPress dashboard appearance, your WordPress dashboard theme to be precise. So a lot of people, when they are actually set up a new WordPress website, so the color that used to come with WordPress by default, WordPress dashboard by default is a black color. So currently now I'm using something like a coffee color. So if you want to change your WordPress dashboard theme, maybe you don't actually like the you don't like something to be like to look like the usual, maybe you're a creative person or the like, so you can easily change the color of your WordPress dashboard. For instance, the default WordPress dashboard color is black, but right now I'm currently having coffee as the I'm having the coffee color as my WordPress dashboard theme. So if you like to change the theme on your WordPress dashboard, so all you have to do is you move your cursor to the top right corner. So when you move your cursor to the right corner, you click on edit profile. So when you click on edit profile, you see admin color scheme. So from this admin color scheme, you can choose wide varieties of other color combination to use with your WordPress admin color scheme. So currently now we have about nine different colors that you can use. So the default one is the black, which usually comes with the WordPress dashboard thing. And if you do not prefer using the black color, you can decide to go for the light. You have the midnight, you have the plasm, you have the sunrise, the ocean, the blue, the coffee, and the like. So let's say for instance I would like to go for the midnight color scheme. So after clicking on your color preferences, so after clicking on it, you can now scroll down and you click on update profile. So when you click on update profile, it's going to change the color of your WordPress dashboard to another color. So I would like to change back to for instance, let's say I want to change back to blue, and here is the blue color. I want to change back to ocean and the like. So for instance, I want to maintain ectoplasm. I actually like the color combination of the ectoplasm personally, so let me just go for this optional. So after clicking on it, I click on update profile. Then when I click on update profile, I can go back to the main welcome screen. So I can see the admin color scheme has now changed from the coffee color to ectoplasm admin color scheme. So that's all about that on changing your WordPress dashboard theme appearance.